Today, I'm going to show you how to ignore and unignore messages on the updated Messenger app. First, let's open the Messenger app on your device and make sure you're logged in to your account. To first ignore messages from a specific contact, find the conversation you want to ignore. Let's say I want to ignore this person. Simply swipe and simply tap on more. Here you can find ignore. If you cannot find it, simply tap on here and find the ignore conversation. Now I must show you some another step like this, and here you can find ignore. Now a confirmation prompt may appear that to confirm you want to ignore the conversation. Now to unignore the messages, search the group or the person that you ignored. I ignored this. Now simply send some message, and as you can see, the chat is unignored. And that is simply how you ignore and unignore chat.